Hi everyone. Today I invite Georgi to our place because we planning to go to the Georgi again cook meat. But first we going to the Marky Mall. Oh, not Marky Mall. We go to Landers. It's near Marky Mall, and we will buy meat. He want to buy Brazilian meat. Brazilian meat he want to buy. And today in the evening in our place have event Miss Mabalakat. That's why Georgi go together. And he will take camera to filming from motor in walking street also. We already in Landers, so we're going to buy meat now. This is parking for motorcycle. This is for car, this is for motorcycle members. Wine? What kind of wine?
Australian.
Australian?
Yes. Moscato.
Okay.
Sweet.
Last time same or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you can take it. Georgi, one Brazilian. This is Brazilian beef.
Yes.
Okay, you take one. How much? Wine, Georgi also take this. Coffee. Okay, let's go. Cheese? You want cheese? You want cheese?
Yes, I see.
Grana Padano. Italian cheese. Okay, good. Okay, let's go. Frozen?
Yes. Oh, it's frozen. Correct. Next time we just leave it in the room, inside the room, not in the fridge.
Maybe small, or it's okay.
Yeah, small, but better than I think.
Why you scared? You scared me.
Where you been today?
Cemetery.
In cemetery today. Today again we Georgi cook today.
Yes, Brazilian beef.
Last time you cook Australian beef, now Brazilian beef.
Yes.
Shaira today all day busy because you been in the cemetery.
Yes. Last night also I'm busy. Maybe for 1 week, 2 weeks. I'm so busy.
Last 2 weeks you very busy
Yes.
always. Wake up so early always.
And evening so late come home already.
And we will drink wine. Do you want wine, Shaira?
I don't know.
Or you want sleep maybe only?
Maybe.
Okay, you can try. Good or not? It's Brazilian beef.
Right.
Good Friday.
So what different, Shaira? Before Australian beef, now Brazilian beef.
This one is a little bit salty.
Yes.
Salty.
Salt.
But in Australian,
Australian we not put salt. It's also cheese. What's this name cheese, Georgi?
Grana Padano.
Grana Padano. Try, Shaira, this cheese. It's already different cheese.
really?
Yes.
It's not there?
Not the same.
Same.
No, not the same. How? It's different cheese.
Same you give.
No, not the same. Italian cheese.
It's not the same before we eat.
No,
Same.
not the same. Different.
Italian also.
Before Italian and now Italian. Only different cheese.
Cheese is cheese only.
No. So for you is cheese is the same. All cheese the same.
You know cheese for baking cakes.
Mm.
Mascarpone cheese, you know? Italian. Mascarpone. It's for tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Yes, tiramisu. Because sometimes they do using cream, but it's not correct.
Okay, I will also try to eat. You won't help me? Okay, Shira, thank you. Okay, I will switch off camera and we can eat already good.